and welcome to Sip on It and Spin. You might be asking yourself something like, what is this channel all about? Or what would you say you do here? Or the hell is this? Well, I'm so glad you hypothetically asked us one of those things. What we aim to do here is entertain you while you learn cocktail recipes and tips for making great drinks at home. Each week, me and my producer, Allison, say hi, producer Allison.
Oh, hi.
Bring you a new or classic cocktail recipe. We throw in a few bad jokes, and sometimes even a little sketch. Fun! Anyone can just succinctly and expertly show you how to make a drink, and in fact a lot of channels do. A lot of them do, and many of them are really well done. Why would we enter such a crowded field? But only we bring you our particular weird brand of humor. Don't you want to be entertained while you learn a recipe? Most of you probably don't, but some of you out there do, and you're our kind of people. What valuable knowledge can you expect to gain from watching this channel? Well, too much to mention here, but let me mention everything here. Number 1, how to make a cocktail. For those of you that only have 1 minute to learn a recipe, we'll also post a short companion video called a shorty. This is just a quick hit on the ingredients and instructions, and then you can quickly move on to your next adventure. You miss out on a lot of great stuff and dry humor and whatnot, but you get the gist. I wanted to call them Quickies. I don't remember now why we didn't. We also periodically publish our nips. These are snippets or short excerpts from our longer videos or blog posts. A nip is also a small amount of alcohol, so it works on multiple levels. There's no third meaning as far as I'm aware. That's about it. Still here? That's really awesome of you. Honestly, thank you. If you like what we're doing here, one of the best ways to support us is to simply watch our videos all the way through to the end. It's one simple thing that feeds the algorithm. Other ways to help us if you like our videos is to literally like our videos by tapping on the like thing. And even more importantly, subscribe to our channel by tapping on the subscribe thing. We humbly hope that you'll share what you found here with every last person you know, and that you'll aggressively demand that they do the same. These are the ceremonial acts that appease the algorithm. And ultimately, it's the algorithm that will determine if we toil in obscurity or retire early and make videos all day. But that's only if you like this video. I mean, you must like it if you're still watching it. Unless you've been tied up and are being forced to watch this against your will as some form of psychological torture. In which case, please tell your captors to like and subscribe, and they can queue up a playlist so you can watch the entire series. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.